Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is March 6th when I'm recording this, and just wanted to make sure everybody knew I have a bullish or bearish market update webinar that I just put out last week. As I said, yeah, it's the most debated market condition that we have seen in a long time. So if you guys are wondering where my position is on this kind of stuff, go watch this and check it out. I put a lot of information there, very educational. I hope you guys enjoy it. We've had a lot of people started to watch it already. And yeah, so what I wanted to also show you with that is I was kind of going through some 401k stuff, mutual funds and all that. And I was trying to compare some of the various funds that I was trying to choose. And I think we know this as traders. Obviously, market goes in cycles, and oftentimes after correction or a pullback or something like that, the market then tends to spring alive. Now, this graph doesn't go back to include 2008 or 2000, so I get it. It's maybe not the most accurate as far as this goes, but the thing we can kind of see is that, let me kind of put this different cursor, is that, we have a big move like this, big, strong move. And then what happens? It starts to kind of calm down a little bit like this. You can see, there was a huge move in the market for 2013. Well, kind of needed to then digest that a little bit, so calm down a bit. And then what you can see is in 2015, a couple of these funds actually go negative. They go down, it's a down year, negative. And then you can see, okay, this one was actually negative. But after the negative year, you can see here we actually get a very strong year. And that actually carries for a couple years. And then we get another, in through here, we get another down negative year. Okay. And then look, it springs back and with new life and strength, and that carries for a couple years. Okay, well then we have, big year, then we have another down year. And I gotta say, obviously this is a huge down year. You might be able to tell that the way that these funds, I've broken this up, it's like small caps, medium, and then large caps. You can see how they've performed differently in these markets. But the idea kind of goes back to, well, 2022 might have just been obviously it's a bear market, but maybe it's over. Maybe the worst is behind us, and maybe we're going to have a decent year. So we don't know what the path looks like, and we don't know if it's going to be choppy or heck, we could have a positive year. Sure. I mean, look, after a 38% down, there's at least likely a bounce back or something like a dead cat bounce. So, maybe we get a little bit of positive. We can't say if we're going to get like 24% or 30% out of these funds. We could be a little bit sideways. But, maybe for 2022 into 2023, some of the worst is behind us. So I'm just kind of putting it out there, keeping an eye at this. That tends to be after a correction. The market does kind of come back. And I'm starting to see a little bit of indication about that. So really, if you guys do want to see more of what I'm looking at and seeing all the stuff that I'm trying to point towards, I do have a lot of things that I show, a lot of information to try and back up what I'm viewing out there. So go check out the YouTube video. It's on our Simpler Trading website, channel, and it's a 2023 bull bear market update. All right, everyone, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.